Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off joins on Roblox. Now, if you're in the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, and you don't want anyone else to be able to join your game with you, you just want to play it solo, I'll show you how to do it. First, just open up the Roblox app, again, iPhone, Android, or computer. Tap More at the bottom right. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Settings, that gear icon. Tap on Privacy and Content Restrictions. Tap on Visibility and Private Servers. Tap on Visibility at the top. You can see Online Status. It says when you restrict one of these settings, other related will be restricted as well, and who can see your online status. If you don't want anyone else to be able to join your games, you can switch this to no one. Or if you just want friends to be able to join your game, you can switch it to friends. When you set this to no one, make sure Show Current Experience is set to no one. And Share Activity Updates, if this is turned on, make sure to turn this off as well. By going through this process, no one will be able to see when you're in a specific game, and they won't be able to join you in that game. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll like it a lot. Thanks, guys.